Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best mini massage guns that are available on the market for their true quality. Through extensive research and testing, I've put together a list of options that will meet the needs of different types of buyers. So whether it's price, performance, or its particular use, we've got you covered. For more information on the products, I've included links in the description box down below, which are updated for the best prices. Like the video, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Now, let's get started. Starting at number 5, we have the Sportneer Mini 3 Massage Gun. Athletes who want a massage gun with enough power to rattle their teeth while they massage their quads will love the Sportneer Mini 3 Massage Gun. While the exact power specs aren't listed, it's so powerful that some users have reported that even the lowest setting is too intense for them. But if that's exactly what you're looking for, you can experience that shake in 5 modes: kneading, rapid percussion, compression, pressure, and vibration. Plus, its stall force is a hefty 35 pounds, so you can really dig in. Despite the power, it weighs in at a svelte 2.1 pounds, so you won't feel the weight in your bag when you bring it to the gym. Plus, it's quiet enough to use in the weight room, so you can use it for short massages between sets. Its automatic shutoff feature limits sessions to 10 minutes, which should be plenty for pre- and post-workout massages. Moving on. At number 4, we have the B.O.B. and Brad Q2 Mini Massage Gun. Despite being one of the least expensive mini massage guns on the market at around $70, the Q2 has some serious chops. Designed by occupational therapist Bob Schrupp and certified strength and conditioning specialist Brad Hynek, this massage gun offers 5 adjustable speeds ranging from 1,800 ppm to 3,000 ppm. Also, it's not only light on your wallet, but at just under a pound, it's also light in your gym bag. Plus, at 5.7 inches long, it's about the size of a bottle of water, meaning you can easily take it to the gym or office without sacrificing much bag space. Some testers have noticed that the small size makes the handle a bit too short to provide a solid grip, especially when trying to hit back muscles. But if you're looking for a small yet mighty massage gun that won't take a bite out of your wallet, this could be the perfect choice. At number 3, we have the Theragun Mini 2. This mini massage gun is Bluetooth enabled, allowing users to access the Therabody app. This basically turns the Mini 2 into a handheld spa, providing step-by-step personalized wellness routines intended to reduce tension, relieve pain, boost circulation, and improve sleep. The brushless motor is quiet enough to use without having to turn subtitles on when you're relaxing with your favorite show, and the 12mm amplitude allows it to drive deeper into sore muscles than similar guns. The Mini 2 is 20% smaller and 30% lighter than its predecessor, making it easy to carry with you no matter how overstuffed your workout bag is. Plus, the triangular handle fits comfortably in your hand, and the battery gives you 2 hours of massage time, which at the recommended 10 minutes of massage, makes it good for 20 massages before you need to recharge. At number 2, we have the Hyperice Hypersphere Go Vibrating Massage Ball. While many massage guns are TSA approved, it's always nerve-wracking to try to pass a gun-shaped object through security at the airport, which is why this spherical massage device is perfect for travel. Also, it addresses one of the main problems with massage guns. It's really hard to hit your back. Fortunately, that's where the Hypersphere Go shines. If you've ever used a massage ball to loosen up your muscles, you'll be familiar with how to use the Hypersphere Go. You just turn it on, set it on the floor, and lay on it, using your body weight to drive the massage into wherever it hurts. The hard outer shell is covered with textured rubber skin, which is not only grippy, but makes the ball a bit more comfortable to lay on. Plus, 3 massage settings allow you to choose the intensity of the massage, and its cool-looking ring of colored lights indicates the battery life and chosen setting. And, since it only weighs a pound, it won't weigh down a suitcase or carry-on bag. And finally, at number 1, we have the B.O.B. and Brad Q2 Mini Massage Gun. The designers of this massage gun managed to cram a lot of power into a tiny package. Roughly the size of a bottle of Aquafina and weighing in at under a pound, the Q2 can still pound your muscles with up to 3000 ppm at its highest setting. If that's too much for you, you have 4 lower settings to choose from, as well as 5 different attachments to help you dial in your massage. The ergonomic silicone grips add a touch of comfort, and 35 pounds of stall force allow you to really drive deep into sore tissue. The battery lasts about 4 hours per charge, and at just 5.7 inches long, it'll easily fit into a purse or overstuffed gym bag. Thanks for watching, and that's all for now. I hope to see you guys in the next video. Till next time.